Hello, welcome to Big Snow Today. I'm Brian Denzel. We're here at the top of Indianhead Mt where you can see it's a gorgeous day and we're still in gorgeous conditions. Lots of good snow yet to be had, lots of good weather. We got our season pass sale on right now through the end of March, and that's good from the day you buy it for the rest of this season. So you get in a few free days this year. Got music coming up this weekend, more on that in a minute. But as you can see, we are gorgeous out. We're hoping to make Easter weekend, but please check our website. We'll be posting up daily when we plan on closing. But as of right now, we're really hoping to make Easter weekend. So everybody get out there and snow dance, pray for a little cool weather, and we should be okay. We got a pretty good base yet everywhere, so hang in there. Get out and ski when you can, because who knows how much longer it'll be. Music this weekend. Friday night, March 12th, we got Scott Kirby up at Dudley Saloon starting at 6 p.m. Saturday, we got Sam Ness up at Dudley's at 6 p.m. And the big band for the weekend is Unity, the band at Loggers Lounge, starting at 4 o'clock over in the Loggers Lounge at Blackjack. Want to give a big shout out to everybody that helped out with the muck-up race last weekend. It was a huge success. I think they raised quite a bit of money, and we're going to bring that back again next year. That's going to become an annual event, so stay tuned for that. Always remember, here at Big Snow Resort, we're here to help enrich lives by sharing the gift of the outdoors. I'm Brian Denzel with Big Snow Today, hoping you get first tracks.